Enjoy AI Ancient Civilizations competition is a time-limited task competition. The match duration is 150 seconds. Each team consists of 1-2 members. The dimensions of competition field map are 120 cm 120 centimeters. The starting base is located at the bottom of the field. The dimensions are 25 cm 25 centimeters. Before each time the robot leaves the base, its length, width, and height must not exceed 25 centimeters. Once the robot has started, its structure is permitted to expand freely. The field is equipped with guidelines and several task placement positions. The competition field contains civilization fragments for both the autonomous and manual phases, civilization fragments for the manual phase only, and the 4 corresponding placement areas. Departure. The robot departs from the base, scoring 20 points. Collecting civilization fragments. The robot must operate autonomously from base exit until block removal. After acquiring a block, freely select autonomous or RC mode for transport to the target, scoring 20 points each. Collecting civilization fragments. The robot is remotely controlled to place blocks and cylinders from the manual zone into the corresponding areas, scoring 20 points each. Return. Before the match ends, the robot returns to the base autonomously or via remote control, scoring 20 points. After the referee announces that the round is over, points are rewarded based on the tasks completed. Teams in each division will be ranked by total scores. If 2 teams are tied, the team that spends less time across all rounds ranks higher. For detailed scoring criteria, please refer to the officially published documentation.